Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. If you are in a queue and want to confirm you are in the right line, is this the line for the ticket counter? Is this the line for the ticket counter? If you want to ask someone to move a little, could you please make some space? Could you please make some space? If you want to know if the shop has a change, do you have a change for 500 rupees? Do you have a change for 500 rupees? If you are in market and want to bargain politely, could you make it a little cheaper? Could you make it a little cheaper? If you want to know if the seat is the seat reserved? Is the seat reserved? If you are searching for a friend in a crowd, have you seen Ragul anywhere? Have you seen Ragul anywhere? If you want to ask if the food is spicy, is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? If you want to check if a meeting is still happening, is the meeting still on? Is the meeting still on? If you want to confirm a delivery time, when will my order arrive? When will my order arrive? If you are at bus stop and want to confirm the bus route, does this bus go via Main Street? Does this bus go via Main Street? If you want to ask for an extra plate, could I have one more plate please? Could I have one more plate please? If you want to check if a shop is open today, are you open today? Are you open today? If you want to find the clock room or luggage counter, where is the clock room? Where is the clock room? If you want to know when the movie starts, what time does the movie start? What time does the movie start? If you want to confirm if a place accepts online payment, do you accept UPI? Do you accept UPI? If you want to know where to refill your bottle, is there a place to refill water here? Is there a place to refill water here? If you want to ask for a menu, could I see the menu please? Could I see the menu please? If you want to check if an item is in stock, is this available in size medium? Is this available in size medium? If you want to confirm where to stand for boarding, where should I stand for boarding? Where should I stand for boarding? If you want to know when the park closes, what time does the park close? What time does the park close? Superb, guys. Now your homework time. Try answering the question on the screen and put your comments below. If you practicing daily, you will see a big improvement in your English. So please follow daily videos.